Hi, I'm Kenny Langlands and I'm the course director for the MST in Genomic Medicine at the University of Cambridge. I initially studied genetics before going on to a career in cancer biology in the UK and the USA. More recently, I had a broader role in medical education. But I was incredibly privileged to be given the opportunity to return to Cambridge, where I could combine my past experience as director of the MST at a time when genomic medicine is transforming healthcare. The course represents a singular opportunity to join a diverse body of learners from across the genomics ecosystem. We recognise your different needs and aspirations, and you'll enjoy considerable individualised support throughout your studies. You can whet your appetite with a single module focusing on an aspect of genomic medicine, or choose a flexible award-bearing study route with postgraduate certificate, diploma and master's options. As a programme of studies commissioned by the NHS in the UK, our curriculum meets national standards. There's an introduction to genomics before we go on to consider a range of topics in more depth, but include the state-of-the-art in technology with hands-on experience, bioinformatics through applications in rare and common disease such as cancer. Cambridge is a major international centre for genomic medicine, and each module is overseen by leaders in the field. Across the course, we have over 140 different speakers, each bringing their insights into the latest developments in research or clinical practice. Our focus is on nurturing the skills that you can use in the real world. In addition to large group sessions, you'll get hands-on experience of wet, dry lab methodologies and work through real cases and groups. Possibly the most important thing from a learning perspective is that all teaching is face-to-face. Through networking with peers from across the genomics world, supplemented by the learning support that you will enjoy, there's a real focus on individual growth. Your learning will empower you to join your peers who, following completion of the course, have gone on to pioneering roles in genomic medicine. As I mentioned above, this course is for those interested in all aspects of genomic medicine, from fundraising for biotech startups, through basic science, pharma and drug discovery, to those working in the labs that provide our DNA sequencing infrastructure, through to the nurses and doctors at the sharp end of care. Most of our students are professionals working in the field, looking to enhance their skills and understanding in order to further their careers or to do their jobs more effectively. It forms part of the career development of, for example, biomedical scientists working in laboratory hubs. We also have more recent graduates who use the programme as a launchpad into, for example, PhD study. A key philosophy is learning together. As I mentioned before, your peers represent the breadth of the professional workforce, while your teachers are leaders in their fields, whether this be clinical practice, research, or industry. This course provides an incredible opportunity to build the networks that will take your career to the next level. Moreover, you're encouraged and supported to seek out the research experiences that will inform your dissertation work. You are, of course, encouraged to share your learning with work colleagues during your studies. For those of you who join us directly on the MST or progress to master's level via the certificate and diploma routes, you will enjoy all the benefits of being a member of a Cambridge college. This includes access to library and other learning resources, study skills and pastoral support. Of course, as an alumnus of the University of Cambridge, you will always be a member of our community. Our graduates have gone on to have a real impact on patient care through the improved deployment of genomic medicine. We have, for example, graduated a cadre of doctors who are able to ensure that their patients have access to the state-of-the-art in treatment. Others have gone on to influential roles in regional genomic medicine services. Our alumni have leadership roles with a generation study recently launched by Genomics England that will revolutionise the early diagnosis of genetic disease. Another graduate of the course was recently awarded an MBE for services to general practice and genomic medicine. There's an opportunity for you to make a real difference to people's lives by understanding how we can use existing genetic information to prevent, diagnose and treat disease. Critically, you will also be primed to innovate in the healthcare space. There's a wealth of information on our website, but I encourage you to contact me directly to discuss any questions that you might have. I look forward to seeing you in Cambridge.